Kamabuhayers, Kamabuhay. Once again, welcome to my vlog, my Kamabuhay. Welcome to my vlog, Kamabuhay Careers, ka-YouTubers. Live in a live, I'm here in. Live is here in Davao City. Your teacher vlogger with our teacher, Ma'am Darna, Ma'am Selfie Queen, vlogger of the century, Mama Buhay. Okay, we just like to feature the Andres Bonifacio, monument here in Davao City, just in front of City Health Office and Office of the City Engineer building near Colasas Barbecue, and of course here in front of this very amazing terrific buildings and green environment. Wow, I love it. Just in front of City Health Office. Who is Andres Bonifacio? Yes, he is one of the great heroes in the Philippines. Yes, in the Philippine history, he was known as the founder, proponent of KKK, or Katipunan, Katastaasan, Kagalang-galang na Katipunan ng mga anak ng bayan for long. Okay, so Andres Bonifacio, the reputation in some persons is quiet. They're having negative criticisms, like for example the issues now is that Andres Bonifacio is uneducated. No, big no. He was able to achieve education, and of course furthermore he was orphaned at the age of 14. So to support his studies in high school, he was really resourceful. He is good in art, making any handcraft or creation of the hands. He is good in making cane or the tungkod or the pamaypay, which is the one Andres Bonifacio used in order to finance his studies. So Andres Bonifacio was born November 30, 1863, and the final day, the last day of his life, April 26, 1892. But in some books that is made, I just do not know what history books, or rather their source, handog ng Kapisanang Bayan ng Wika sa lungsod ng Davao. So ito ay si Andres Bonifacio, Pangulo, naging Pangulo rin siya ng Katipunan. Of course, we have so many memories of Bonifacio, ama ng Katipunan. Contrary to some notions that the Katipunan only erupted on the first 8 provinces who revolted against the Spaniards, no, it was disseminated to the whole Philippines as far as Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Why? Because the students in Manila, or in these 8 provinces, they have their own province, they have their own house, and every time there is spring break, there is Christmas vacation, so on and so forth, or end of the school year, they're going home to their residence. So they are recruiting, they are making the recruitment there. So the KKK was disseminated to the whole Philippines, not only in the first 8 provinces like Tarlac, Nueva Ecija, Bulacan, Laguna, as far as Manila, Nueva Ecija, and those Pampanga, Bulacan. No. It was already being given a new studies or new knowledge about that. Andres Bonifacio was really dethroned as president of Katipunan, and it's really a pity because he was the proponent, he was the founder, and during the Tijeros Convention, he was elected as no other than, or rather nominated as Director of the Interior, but Daniel Tirona objected of the nomination, that it should be Jose del Rosario who should be nominated and elected to the position, in as much as that position is for lawyer. And As we know well that Bonifacio was not able to finish education, but he is educated. He is not non-educated. Oh, check that one. So it was divided into two. From that moment, they were divided into Magdalo and Magdiwang. Magdalo, those who are loyalists of Emilio Aguinaldo, and of course, the Magdiwang of Andres Bonifacio. So this is my teacher today of Andres Bonifacio, the latest updates in history. So it's raining already here in front of the monument, so I have to use my umbrella. Raindrops keep falling on my head. Okay, I'm using the bow. This is it. Thank you everyone of my vlog about Andres Bonifacio. Mabuhay, magandang buhay, mabuting tao. Mabuting tao, magandang buhay. Long live, good person, good life, good person. Mabuhi! Live and alive here in Andres Bonifacio Monument, Davao City. Life is here. I am your teacher vlogger, teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon. Live and alive, sharing Philippine history updates and latest development in history. Thank you Kamabuhay, thank you Kamabuhay and Kamabuhayers. Thank you my YouTubers, ka-YouTube, ka-Facebook, ka-Reels and everyone. I am your teacher vlogger, retired teacher, teacher being Erlinda being Basilio Rindon. Here in Life is Here, the land of the eagle and the Dorian. Signing up until my next vlog. Thank you everyone. Mabuhay!